we're at workshops in France that brings artists together to paint, to talk, and to share. And we are at the Chateau de la Loubière, and we're in the Luberon, beautiful Luberon part of Provence. The main goal for my teaching and painting is really to bring joy to people and to also share the excellent experience that you can find here in southern France. So I like to bring that in terms of my teaching. So I teach out of my atelier in Bellevue. I'm also on faculty of Gage Academy of Art, and I teach out of the Frye Art Museum and now at workshops in France. So I will be coming back in the spring of 2020 here at the Chateau de la Loubière to bring you lavender season and to participate in everybody's experience in painting lavender. Today we're going to be getting together to talk about things that can really move people's artwork forward, some of the fundamentals and also some master tips. And also we're going to be doing a demonstration about 25 different ways to manipulate paint. This part of France is very dear to my heart. I grew up in southern France as a child and just simply had a splendid childhood. So coming back here fills me with really good memories of childhood. And now that I'm a painter, especially one who honors the French impressionist tradition, there's special meaning to coming back to Provence. I look forward to being a part of your journey in art.